My sound is loud and clear to you.
Yes, sir.
So I will start the introduction of logic gates. This is the unit number 3 of the MSc Sem 1 paper 1, paper 3, not paper 1. So it is the paper 3, unit number 3. Okay. So first topic is I will take some basic information about the logic gates, and then I will come to the first topic of this logic gates. So my today's presentation is the introduction to the logic gates. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Gauri, Head and Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, Dr. Ambedkar College, Chandrapur. So today's my presentation includes what is meant by the logic gates, what are the some important terms regarding the logic gates. Then I will discuss about the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. All these gates you have studied in the BSc final year. So we will take the review of that and then we will proceed to the next. So what is the logic gates? So logic gates are the basic building block of any digital system, and this logic gates is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output is there. So inputs may be two, input may be one, two or three or more than that, but only one output is there for the any logic gate circuit. So the relation between the input and the output is based upon the certain logic. So there are the different logic gates. So for example, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. These are the different logic gates and that you have studied in the BSc final year. Now, before going to the logic gates, so these logic gate circuits require this certain supply voltage. So there are actually the two types of logic circuits: voltage and current mode logic. They are known as the voltage logic, voltage mode logic, and the current mode logic. A certain logic gates can follow the current mode logic or voltage mode logic. In current mode logic, logic 1 or 0 state is represented by the certain current levels. Which are the certain current levels? So that current level will be the one is the higher current level and another is the lower current level. Okay. So higher level is if it is represented by the higher logic 1, then that will be the one type of logic. And if suppose the higher current level is represented by the logic 0 state, then it will be the another type of the logic. Okay. So the another logic gate logic circuit is of the voltage mode logic. In voltage mode logic, again the logic level 0 or logic state 0 or logic state 1 is represented by the certain voltage level. In current mode logic, the logic states 0 or 1 is represented by the certain current level. In voltage mode logic, the logic state 1 or 0 is represented by the certain voltage level. For example, suppose plus 5 volt is the one voltage level. What is that? Plus 5 volt is the higher voltage level and it is represented by suppose logic state 1, and the lower voltage level, that is the 0.2 volt or below that, is represented by the logic 0 state, and this is nothing but the voltage mode logic. If any electronic circuit uh, is having these two levels, higher voltage level is represented by the higher logic state and a lower voltage level is represented by the lower logic state, then that will be the voltage mode logic. Again, this logic, voltage mode logic or current mode logic are of the two types, and they are the positive and negative logic. Positive logic or negative logic. So what is meant by the positive logic and negative logic? The operation of logic state is also discussed on the basis of what is known as the positive logic and the negative logic. A gate is said to be following the positive logic when its logic state 1 is represented by the voltage level which is more positive than the voltage level representing the logic 0 state. For example, I have taken the previous example that logic level plus 5 volt is represented by a logic state 1. Higher voltage level is represented by the logic state 1 and lower voltage level means 0.2 voltage level is represented by the logic 0 state. Then such type of logic we call it as a positive logic. Now, if suppose a gate is following the positive logic when its logic 0 state is represented by the voltage level, it is represented by the voltage level 0.2 or less than that. Lower voltage level 0.2 is the lower voltage level and plus 5 volt is the higher voltage level. So higher voltage level is represented by the logic 1 state and the lower voltage level is represented by the logic 0 state. So this is nothing but the positive logic. Then what is meant by the negative logic? So negative logic, a gate is following the negative logic. Here there is a mistake that instead of the positive logic there should be the negative logic. So logic state 0 is represented by the higher voltage level. It is the reverse of that previous one, positive logic. क्या है? लॉजिक स्टेट 0 को हायर वोल्टेज लेवल से रिप्रेजेंट करना है और लॉजिक स्टेट 1 इट इज द हायर लॉजिक स्टेट. So logic state 1 is represented by a lower voltage level, that is 0.2 voltage. So this is nothing but the negative logic. So here there is a one mistake that instead of the positive logic there should be the negative word should be. Okay. Now this is about the positive logic and the negative logic. In positive logic, higher voltage level is represented by the higher logic state 1 and the lower voltage level is represented by the lower logic state 0 in positive logic, and vice versa is for the negative logic. Then after that we will see the truth table and the Boolean equation that you have also studied in the BSc final year, but I am revising it. The operation or working of any particular gate can be understood in terms of either truth table or the Boolean equation. So a truth table is a graphical or tabular representation of the relationship between the input and the output logic level of the gate or circuit. Here I have represented a logic gate. So this is nothing but one logic gate and it has the two inputs A and B. A and B are the two inputs of this logic gate and there is only one output, that is the Y output. and such a logic gate, working of this such a logic gate or the operation of such a logic gate is represented in terms of the truth table, and that truth table is having the inputs and the output. It may have the one input or it may have the more than two inputs, and only one output is there. And for the two inputs A and B, there are the number of possibilities. How many number of possibilities are there for the two input gate? So there are the 2 raised to power n. 2 raised to power n. N is nothing but number of inputs. If suppose only one input is there, then 2 raised to power 1 means two possibilities are there for the inputs. What are the two possibilities of the inputs? Input may be 0 or input may be 1. Okay. Then for the two input gate, there are the 2 raised to power n. 2 raised to power 2. N is nothing but number of inputs. So number of inputs for the two input logic gate is the 2. So 2 raised to power 2 means 4. 4 possibilities are there for the inputs. What are the various possibilities of the two inputs? So the both inputs may be 0, or one input is 1, another input is 0. Then A is suppose 0 and B is 1, and last possibility is that both inputs are 1. Then what will be the output? So that will be nothing but this tabular representation of this working of any logic gate is known as the truth table. So another useful method of explaining the operation of a logic gate is to write the Boolean equation using the Boolean algebra. The Boolean equation has 3 basic elements. Any Boolean equation has the 3 basic elements. First one is the input variable. There may be one input variable, or there may be the two input variable, or there may be the more than two input variables, and only one output variable is there, and that output variable we will represent it by y. Y is nothing but output, and only one output is there for any logic gate. Then the Boolean operator, that is the third basic element of the Boolean equation. First basic element of the Boolean equation is input variable. Second basic element of the Boolean equation is the output variable, and third basic element of this Boolean equation is the Boolean operator. Boolean is the name of the scientist, and therefore he has put forward this equation, and therefore that equation we know we will call it as a Boolean equation. The input variables are nothing but the inputs A or A and B, or more than two inputs, A input, B input and C input, and output variable is the Y, and the Boolean operator and the Boolean logic gate are almost synonym. Boolean operator and logic gates are almost synonym. They are similar to working. Then first logic gate that we are going to discuss is about the AND gate and IC. IC means integrated circuit, and number of that IC is the 7408. So AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output only if all inputs are high. Boolean equation of two input AND gate is Y is equal to A cross B. What is that? Y is equal to A cross B, or you may call it as a Y is equal to A dot B, where cross is called the AND operation. Cross mark is called the AND operation, or dot or cross are used to show the AND operation. You can write Y is equal to A dot B, or you can write Y is equal to A cross B. and the logic symbol of the Boolean equation. So here in this slide I have shown the logic AND gate. This is the AND gate, and this is the two input AND gates. There are the two inputs, input A and input B. These are the two inputs, and only one output is there, that is y is equal to AB. Y is equal to AB, and the truth table of this AND gate is shown in this slide. Okay. When the both inputs are 0, then output will be 0. When one input is 1, then output is 1. Output is 0. When the another input is 1, then output is 0. But when both inputs are 1, then and only then the output of the AND gate is 1. What is the essential condition of this AND operation or AND gate? Both inputs or all inputs must be high, then and only then the output of the AND gate is the 1. Here I have shown the only the 2 input AND gate. Instead of the 2 input AND gate, suppose there are the 3 input AND gate. Then there will be the, again here the third input will be there, A, B and C, and at the output we get A dot B dot C. That will be the Boolean equation of this AND gate. Okay. Then we will see the another gate. That gate is the OR gate. And IC, integrated circuit number of this IC is this 7432. And what is this OR gate? The OR gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output. Means high output means logic state 1. If one or all inputs are high, what should be there? Output is 1 when any one of the input or all inputs are high, then and only then output of the OR gate is the high. And what is the Boolean equation of this OR gate? So that Boolean equation is y is equal to A plus B. Plus is nothing but OR operation. Plus is used to show the OR operation. So you have to read it as a y is equal to A plus B, and plus sign is nothing but the OR operation. Here I have shown the logic symbol of the two input OR gate. Two input OR gate. Two inputs are there, A and B. These are the two inputs of this OR gate, and only one output is there. That output is the y is equal to A plus B. And the truth table of this OR gate is the AB, these are the inputs, and y is the output. Y is equal to A plus B. And when the A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then output is 0. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then the output is 1. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then again the output is 1. And when both inputs are 1, then output is 1. So this is about the logic symbol of the two input OR gate, and this is the truth table of the two input OR gate. You can draw the logic symbol of the three input OR gate. What will be that? So here A input is there, B input is there, again the third input C is there, and output Y will be the A plus B plus C, and truth table will be accordingly. Truth table will be accordingly. And how many possibilities are there for the three input OR gates? So there are the 2 raised to power n. N is n means number of inputs. If inputs are the 3, then 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. So 8 possibilities are there for the 3 input OR gate, and accordingly we can write the truth table of the 3 input OR gate. Then we will study the NOT gate, and IC of this NOT gate is the 7404. So NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produces the inverted version of the input. Inverted version of the input at its output. It is also known as the inverter. It is also known as the inverter. For example, if suppose the input A is equal to 0, input A is 0, then output will be 1 of the NOT gate. If suppose the input is 1, input A is 1, then output will be complement of that input, that is the 0. Input 1, output 0, input 0, output 1, and that is nothing but a complement of input. So the Boolean equation of this NOT gate is y is equal to a bar. Y is equal to a bar. You have to read it as a bar, or you can read like this also, that y is equal to complement of A. Is nothing but complement of A, and a logic symbol of the NOT gate is A is equal to logic symbol is shown in this slide. A, and here there is a triangle, and then there is a bubble, and this one line. That is nothing but y is equal to a bar, or y is equal to a complement of A, or a complement. ऐसे भी आप read कर सकते. And the truth table is y is equal to y is the input, A is the input, and y is the output. So y is equal to a bar. So input is 1, output is 0. Input is 0, output is 1. So this is about a NOT gate. Then all the previous 3 gates, AND gate, OR gate, and a NOT gate, these are the 3 basic gates. Yes, these are the 3 basic gates. Which are the 3 basic gates? AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. These are the basic gates. Okay, and then we will study the another gate, that is the NAND gate, and IC of this NAND gate is the 7400. 7400. So what is this? So this is a NOT AND gate, which is equal to an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. पहले AND gate रहेगा, उसके बाद में NOT gate यदि लगा दिया तो वो बन जाएगा आपका NAND gate. Okay. So this will be the NAND gate. NAND gate के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? पहले आपको NOT gate AND gate बनाना होगा, और उस AND gate को फिर लगाना है NOT gate. Then it will be the NAND gate. So output of the NAND gate are high. Output of the NAND gate are high if any of the input are low. If any one of the input is low, or both inputs are low, any one of the input is low, then and only then the output of the NAND gate is 1. So the symbol of AND gate with a circle, small circle on the output is nothing but the symbol of the NAND gate, and this small circle represents the inversion. So here on this slide I have shown the NAND gate symbol, or logic symbol of the NAND gate. What is there? It is exact exactly similar to the AND gate, but there is a one difference, that there will be the one bubble here, and this bubble will represent the inversion. And the output of this NAND gate, two input NAND gate, is y is equal to a dot b bar, a dot b bar, or complement of AB, complement of AB. And the Boolean equation of this AND gate, Boolean equation of this AND gate is y is equal to a dot b bar. And the truth table of this NAND gate is inputs and output. Two inputs are there, A and B. Output will be the y is equal to a dot b bar, a dot b then bar. Okay. So if both inputs are 0, then output is 1. When one input is 0, then output is 1. When one input is 0, then output is 1. But when both inputs are 1, then output is 0. You can see the truth table of the AND gate. What will be there in the truth table of AND gate? When both inputs are 1, then output will be 1. And if we take the complement of the output of the AND gate, then that will be the 1, 1, 1 and 0. Okay, you can compare the output of NAND gate and output of the AND gate. You will get the difference between the NAND gate and the AND gate. Now, next gate is the NOR gate, and IC of that NOR gate is the 7402. This is a NOT gate followed by the OR gate followed by the NOT. पहले रहेगा OR gate और उसके बाद में लगेगा NOT gate, and that will give the NOR gate. So output of the NOR gate are low if any of the inputs are high. यदि दोनों इनपुट में से समझो एक इनपुट या दोनों इनपुट यदि 1 है, तो आउटपुट नॉर गेट का ये 0 आएगा. It is the exactly reverse of the OR gate. The symbol of the OR gate with a small circle on the output is the symbol of the NOR gate. The small circle represents the inversion. Here you can see the logic symbol of the NOR gate. So A and B, these are the two inputs, and then there is a bubble. You can see this is the bubble. OR गेट का सिंबल यदि आप देखेंगे तो उसमें ये जो बबल है, ये जो बबल आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, सर्कल दिखाई दे रहा है, ये सर्कल OR गेट के सिंबल में नहीं दिखेगा. ये NOR गेट के सर्किट में यहाँ पे सिंबल में बबल दिखेगा. इसको सर्कल को क्या कहते हैं? बबल. ओके. एंड y is equal to a plus b bar. And Boolean equation of this NOR gate is y is equal to a plus b bar. And truth table of this NOR gate is shown here. Okay. Then next gate is the XOR gate, and IC of that XOR gate is the IC 7486. IC number is the 7486. It is the EX OR gate. EX means exclusive. Means one condition of OR gate is excluded, and that circuit will be the XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. So exclusive OR gate is a electronic circuit which will give a high output, which will give high output if either or either, or you can say that when the inputs are different, when the inputs are different, then output is high. When inputs are same, then output is low. So the circle plus sign like this. This is the circle plus sign निकाला है, उसके ऊपर में circle बनाया. So this encircle plus sign is used to show the XOR operation, exclusive OR operation. And Boolean equation of this XOR gate is y is equal to a direct sum b. इसको क्या कहते हैं? प्लस साइन एंड सर्कल, उसको कहते हैं डायरेक्ट सम, और यू कैन call it as a XOR operation, exclusive OR operation. So logic symbol of the exclusive OR gate is shown in this slide. ये OR गेट के जैसा ही है, लेकिन फर्क क्या है? यहाँ पे इनपुट साइड में यहाँ पे कर्व लाइन है, ये आपको दिखाई दे रही होगी, ये कर्व लाइन है. ये कर्व लाइन की वजह से OR गेट और XOR गेट में डिफरेंस आ जाए. And y is equal to a direct sum b, that will be nothing but a Boolean equation, and truth table of that XOR gate is shown in this slide. So when any one of the input, you can say when inputs are different, यहाँ पे देखो सेकंड और थर्ड कंडीशन में क्या, एक दोनों इनपुट जो है वो डिफरेंट है, एक इनपुट 0 है तो दूसरा 1 है. तो उसी कंडीशन में आउटपुट ऑफ द OR गेट ये 1 आता है, अदरवाइज द आउटपुट विल बी 0. ओके, so when inputs are different, then and only then output of the XOR gate is 1, otherwise output will be 0. Then after that, the last gate is the XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Previously it is the exclusive OR gate. Why it is called the exclusive OR gate? OR gate का ट्रुथ टेबल यदि आपने देखा होगा तो उसमें क्या मिलेगा आपको? When both inputs are 1, then output is 1. This condition, last condition, is excluded in the XOR gate. Exclusive OR gate. One condition of the OR gate is excluded. Which condition? When both inputs are 1, then output will be 0 in the XOR gate. Then about the XNOR gate. XNOR gate is exactly similar to the previous gate, only that instead of the here there is the NOR gate, and one condition of the NOR gate is excluded. So exclusive NOR gate is an electronic circuit, and the exclusive NOR gate circuit does opposite to the XOR gate. XOR gate का जो कंडीशन है उसमें से एक कंडीशन को एक्सक्लूड किया गया. XNOR gate, NOR gate की कंडीशन, यहाँ पे NOR चाहिए. Okay, so the symbol of the XNOR gate is an EXOR gate, which is with a small circle on the output. The small circle represents the inversion, and logic symbol of the XNOR gate. XNOR gate, here it should be the EXNOR. EXNOR, ENOR हो गया सिर्फ, यहाँ पे EXNOR. Okay, तो जो NOR gate था, NOR gate में क्या था? ये एक 2 इनपुट्स थे और एक बबल था, और उस इनपुट साइड में और एक यहाँ पे क्या लगा दिया? कर्व लगा दिया, दैट इज मीन्स द इन्वर्शन. So it will be the XNOR gate, and the truth table of this XNOR gate is shown in this slide. A, B, these are the inputs. Y is equal to A direct sum B bar. A direct sum B bar. When both inputs are 0, then the output is 1. When both inputs are 1, then output is 1. Otherwise, it will be 0. Means when the input is 1, output one input is 1 and another input is 0, then output is 0. When one input is 0 and another input is 1, then output is 0. So that is the XNOR gate. Which condition is excluded here? In case of OR gate, when both inputs are 0, then output is 0. Okay. So here the input should be the different one, then output is 0. If inputs are similar, then the output is in the logic 1 state. So this is about the XNOR gate. So this is all about my today's presentation. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask me, and then otherwise we will stop this today's meeting.